Okay, so what I've done here is I've taken this screwdriver and I have bent down the little commutator contact springs. I have taken a bunch of this 330 grit emery board, and I have ground down the commutator, and I've also used a regular old emery board, and I have ground down the hot shoe rollers. I've ground down the main wheels, and by ground down I mean just take off all the oxidation and a little extra of the old paint on there. And then I took a bunch of cotton swabs, just a bunch of cotton swabs with a bunch of 90% isopropyl, and I cleaned up every single place that I had a contact, and I made sure that I could get a reading with my, digital multimeter between the hot shoes. And so I keep saying hot shoes, and that's kind of important here. Right here, that's a hot shoe. And these are steel hot shoes, probably later than 1950. And last year what I did was I oiled them here, and I oiled everything around here. And I suspect what happened is that oil had just congealed around the pin on the hot shoes, and became an insulator around these hot shoe wheels. So, ding. The second tool is a pair of needle nose pliers, and I would take off the hot shoe. Take off the hot shoe, and I'd bend open with this motion the side panel of the hot shoe here. And by bending open the side panel, I could pull out the hot shoe roller, and then I could use a clipped off tip of a Q-tip soaked in alcohol. I could, with the tip off, I could press this and twist it through the interior of the hot shoe, and that got all oil out of it. So here we have a working locomotive engine. Okay, and Eloise, do you wanna lift the lever? Do you want to make it go? Want to lift the lever and make it go?
Where's the lever?
The transformer lever is right here.
Daddy, what's that?
Okay, do you see the orange lever?
How about this?
The green light just means that it's on. Okay? Woo!
Whoa! You got it torque.
Yeah. Okay, lift the lever again. Yeah, let's go all around the tree a lot. Liam, stop. Yeah, please don't touch the track. Thank you for taking turns. It's very responsive, isn't it? Yeah, you're Mr. Heavy Metal. I said stop, please.
Daddy, just start.
Yeah, there are sparks. That's all the electricity going through the locomotive.
Yeah, there's sparks.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Do it again. Yeah, good fun. Okay, thank you. Oh, hey, Ellie. Can you say thank you to Bob for giving us this locomotive?
Thank you.